Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got another recipe, garlic honey barbecue thighs, chicken thighs at that. Okay, so yeah, if you want to know how your girl created this recipe, then please stay tuned because it is delish. Okay, I said delish. Okay, so these are the ingredients. We got honey barbecue sauce by Sweet Baby Ray's, some Worcestershire sauce, 4 chicken thighs, a small yellow onion, my special seasoning, and some paprika. So yeah, these are the chicken thighs. I'm gonna go ahead and season them with my special seasoning and paprika. Okay, so now we are about to fry these bad babies. Yes, we are. We're about to fry them up. Yeah, so we're going to throw them in a skillet with some grease. And yes, I have my grease warming up. And yes, we're going to go also chop up some onion. And this is for our barbecue honey sauce. So yeah, go ahead and chop up that onion. And make sure you don't cut them fingers off. Okay, so I'm just showing you the process. So this is how you want your chicken to look on both sides. You want your chicken to be done because baby, you don't want no salmonella. Okay, so go ahead and cook that chicken. Okay, so for the barbecue sauce, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to go ahead and saute those onions that we chopped up. And we're just going to make sure we saute those and make sure they are golden brown. We're going to add the honey barbecue sauce and the honey. And don't forget that honey, baby. Okay? Okay, so you guys want to drain that grease off of the chicken, and then after you drain the grease, go ahead and add your sauce and go ahead and stir that up and make sure it is all incorporated throughout the chicken, and let that cook for at least 15 minutes. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I add some parsley flakes and some green onions, and yes, go ahead and taste it. It is bomb. I mean, it is bomb. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to share and subscribe.